What is going on, you beautiful peeps? Dude, if you guys saw the state that my socks are in, I'd be exposed. Yeah, let's just say I don't care about my socks that much. There we go. All right, so you guys know what's going on. You guys know the deal. I just called one of my partners earlier today just to basically give him the scoop, the rundown, the breakdown of what I'm thinking. So basically gonna move forward with all this stuff. We had the contractor on the phone too. I needed to ask him about some stuff. Basically moving forward with the shop, seeing what's going on, seeing how we're gonna do it. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. Nothing too crazy. We're moving forward with some of the stuff. We're trying to see how we're gonna go about it. So that's pretty good. That is pretty good. As you guys already know, it's time for the gym. I wore one of my favorite shirts today. Can you see? So that's how we're looking. Let me give you it on this side. Ooh, dang, who is this guy? So you guys remember when I don't know if I told you. So I hurt my wrist in boxing, and I was really analyzing myself yesterday. I'm not like good by any means, right? But I'm like becoming conscious when I'm doing some of the stuff. I have a tendency to keep my thumb out, which is really horrible. Even in my gloves, I have a tendency to do that. So yesterday, I was kind of adjusting how I do it and how I go about it, and then I figured that out. Oh, a piece of my truck bed. Whatever this is for, oh my God. For my truck bed cover came off, whatever. Hey, who cares? Who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Tonight, smash. You know that quote. All right. Oh, you're probably wondering, Arian, why do you have so many gallons of water back there? Good question. I actually stock up on my water because I don't like when I keep having to buy water and then, oh my God. So yeah, I don't like to keep buying water and like going or ordering a water service and all that. I don't feel like doing the research to figure that out. So I just go to Ralph's, okay, and just stock up on ungodly amount of water, okay? That's what I do. I literally clear the shelves sometimes. So, because I don't feel like going back and forth and then doing the whole spiel. Okay, well, this guy has to wait. Yeah. So that's kind of how that's going. Thank you. So that's kind of how that's going. All right. My meal preps came in yesterday, and the food that they've been having is actually not that bad now. I was just eating like really bland food. So hopefully, I'm going to start getting in shape a little bit too. A little bit better physique. That's all it really is. You just got to eat. You got to eat properly. A lot of people don't understand that, right? You got to have balanced foods. Try to minimize carbs. That's what I really attempt to do in the food that I consume. I try to limit my carbohydrates just because that's how my body is. So you got to figure out how your body is so then you can go about it in a more effective manner. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Let me hop in the gas station. I'll be right back. All right. But yeah, this is the time of year I feel like people are becoming a little bit more responsive. Everyone's kind of getting the ball rolling, getting in action. Hold on.
A few moments later.
All right, what is going on, guys? We were just on a conversation with one of the guys just to basically get everything moved over there. So, with that being said, I will call you guys after the gym. I'm actually heading to the gym right now, so I'll call you guys when I get done and when I'm back, all right? Love y'all.
One eternity later.
What is going on? Oh, you can't even see me. What is going on, my dudes? Just got back from the gym, exhausted, hungry, need to get to work right now. So you guys probably saw these from one of the students that we partnered up with. He actually got me some gifts from his trip to Japan. And obviously This one's a little personal because it's a card, so I'm not gonna share it with you guys, but I'll show you all the other stuff. It's awesome. That's awesome. I got a thank you card from a person who's in my program. He gave me this. It's awesome. Damn. I got that from a random person rather than family. That's crazy, huh? Hey, it is what it is, ladies and gents. Let's see. We also got dried strawberries. This looks really freaking good, I'm not gonna lie. See the nutrition facts on this. Low-key kind of healthy. Hell yeah. Dried strawberries, I'm for it. And then we have blueberry cheesecake Kit Kats from Japan. You're jealous with this one, I know that for a fact. You want one? All right, fine, I'll give you one. Dude, oh, milk tea. Oh shit, this is like a variety pack, bro. Milk tea. I don't know what this one, I think it's all in Japanese, that one. I can't read that one. It's the same, this is the same one. It's all in Japanese. Okay, this is the blueberry cheesecake one. Okay, okay. What is this? Matcha Kit Kat? Are you freaking kidding me? What is this one? Roasted soybean powder. Interesting, all right. Hey, I can't knock it till I try it. Oh, this is the one that's all in Japanese again. I'm sorry, I can't read that one. And then we have gold. Did I just win a prize? Is this a Willy Wonka ticket? That's awesome, hey. Thanks. I appreciate that, man. Means a lot more than people think. This is the kind of stuff I look for, bro. A lot of times you just work, and then when you get, you know, a little something, makes you realize that it's all worth it. That's awesome, man. Thanks, Chris. That's awesome. We'll get the day started. I'm gonna save that card. I don't throw any of that stuff away. That stuff means a lot to me. It means a lot. I really love it. Thanks. What is on our agenda for today? Okay, got all of that. Okay. Yes, I can hop on a call around 11:30 today. Does that work? I just told him for a meeting today at 11:30, period. Does that work with you? If not, I can record it and send it over to you via a Google Drive. Hey, how you doing? Comma. I actually called him yesterday and left him a voicemail. We'll be following up with him and some other members of the team to see what their situation is, period. I will keep you posted as soon as I get any update. Cool, dope. Dope, my dude. I don't know if I'm losing followers right now or if I'm gaining followers. I don't know, who cares?
Sir, I don't know if I want her or her. I don't want her.
Bro, TikTok makes no sense to me, dude.
Finance for a few years now, catch a lot of flack about what my job actually is, and I think that's because there's
TikTok makes zero sense to me. I genuinely don't understand it. I get 23 views a video. How is that even freaking possible, dude? Whatever. Okay, wait, what the heck? My sauce for my meal prep is frozen. So how am I supposed to, I guess, just put frozen sauce on it? That's done. All right. I'm gonna enjoy my meal, and then I will call you guys in a sec.
A few moments later.
Right, what is going on, beautiful peeps? What is going on, my beautiful people? So, I have an appointment with my banker at 3 p.m. Time is now currently, I don't know what time it is. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm moving in with my boy to another unit in the same building. We're about to move up to the penthouse floor. So in order for me to do that, I need a cashier's check to put a deposit down on that unit. I'm about to get a cashier's check there too. So for people who don't know, a cashier's check is basically cash in a check. Hence the name cashier's check. So what I'm also going to be doing is opening up the accounts for the student that we signed a lease with today. You guys didn't see that, but I signed everything over. I sent it over to her in the morning. My insurance agent also got me the policy, but we ran into some trouble, so I'm talking with their team right now. So give me 1 second.
A few moments later.
All right, my dudes. It's always funny when I do those transitions, because to you, you already spawn right there. But for me, I have to go install you and then put you up on the little holder thing that I got. All right. that's that. So, yeah, I mean, basically about to go to the bank. Hopefully I know the branch manager at this location that I'm going. If I recall correctly, he was one of my boys. I've known him for a minute, so, you know, he was not like actually one of my boys, but he used to work as a teller on one of the spots that I used to go to when I used to drop off my cash. And then he ended up promoting or becoming like a manager in this location, which I thought was freaking dope. I was like, dude, hell yeah. So he's like, yeah, man, I moved up in the ranks. So hopefully he's there, because, you know, when you know the branch manager, everything just seems to go by a little bit faster. So, all right, I'll call you guys after the bank, after all that stuff is done, and then we'll go from there.
A few moments later.
Holy cow, ladies and gentlemen. Just got done with the bank. It's cool. Got the bank account set up. I got the cashier's check as well. I transferred $8,000 into that account. Take care of some expenses in there. Take care of all the stuff. Get the ball rolling. I'm starving though. I've only had one meal today. The meal you guys saw, the chicken kebabbies, which were pretty gas, to be honest with you. So I'm very excited to eat right now. And then I just got to plan out tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a relatively busy day, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to head up to LA, basically get all this shit sorted out, you know. I'm going to drop off their checks, the deposit, and the first month for this location, which is arguably going to take the longest time. But I'm going to hit a few other shops while I'm up there, and then take care of some other work that I got going up there as well. So, you know, I mean, I guess it kind of freaking works out, but I'm just complaining. I'm just complaining for no reason. So, all right. I just wanted to keep you guys posted with that. I left the bank like literally 10 minutes ago. So, all right, let me call you guys when I get upstairs.
One eternity later.
I just saw a meme that was very out of pocket. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Time is now 12:04 p.m. Tomorrow is definitely going to be a busy day. A lot of driving. Am I excited about it? No. But I have to make a ton of phone calls tomorrow. See what we got going on. And then basically just get the ball rolling from there. To just see how we got to get everything going. I'm going to drop off the deposit and rent to the office tomorrow for the company, and then I'm gonna go up and get a city business license. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna check out some other locations too for a student, and that's basically it, guys. I mean, nothing too crazy. So came back home from boxing. I'm exhausted. I'm very, very tired. Today really was like one of those days where it's like, whoa, like pretty intense. So pretty good nonetheless. I will keep you guys posted. This concludes yet another day in the life of an entrepreneur. I hope you guys will join me tomorrow for tomorrow's episode. We'll go from there. You guys will be along for the ride. You guys know what it is. I don't leave you guys. I don't leave y'all. You guys are with me. So hope to see you tomorrow. Peace.